Now basically with it on, hello people, yes, I'm bringing that back again. Welcome to my video. I am Famous James, not really famous. A unboxing and first look at my thoughts about the wireless guitar transmitter wireless system for guitar to amplifier. If you haven't already, don't forget to subscribe and press that like button. I've got 430 or something subscribers. Let's get that to 500 and more. As you saw in my last video, I got a new Antiquity LSB, my first guitars I'm learning, and I got the Boss Guitar Mark 50 Mark II, I think it is, of what I got and why I got that one. So anyway, back to the story. Basically, anyone who has animals, i.e. rabbits or guinea pigs or dogs or cats, anyone that likes to chew wires, like we have rabbits, I have a cable. I'd got a cable with my guitar, and my rabbits go near the cable and I have to go, oi, I don't have 400 quid to go and spend on a wireless guitar thing. I mean, my guitar and my amp alone was cost 350 quid, no, 370, so I'm not going to spend double that on a wireless system. So I looked on the websites to have a look at, on the website I got my guitar from, and found that Lexato, there's the little sign for it, Lexato, or a decent brand for wireless guitars, from going transmitter to receiver to the amplifier. So I thought, right, I'll get this. So I got this WS80. So I wanted one with an on-off switch. So basically I got this, and what you get with it is pretty simple. You get the user manual, which you don't really need that, to be fair, at all. You get the charger with single USB into plug, and then mini USB that goes into the sides there. So that just goes into there, the side, like that. Yep, there goes into the side, just like that. And the other one does the same thing, so you can basically charge both the transmitter and the receiver up at the same time. You don't need much, to be honest. And then obviously you get the transmitter with a with adjustable jack, and you get the receiver with the exact same thing, adjustable jack. So basically the transmitter goes into the bottom of the guitar. You just put it in and then figure out how you want it that suits you, and then you put the receiver into the hey, juggling there for you. I have another skill I found out. Then you put the receiver into the input on the on your amplifier, and it says there's 0.3 millisecond latency. There isn't really a latency, because it didn't seem like that to me when I just tried it. You just turn it on with the two switches on the side there, and then you press and hold the two little pairing switches on the side there. You press and hold them, and then the lights flash on the front, and then when they go solid, the lights, they're paired. It is channel 70, I think it said, which is, I know that channel 70 basically is free, hence why they use this, because it's free. You don't have to pay for a frequency license like you do on other frequencies, and it gets to, and it obviously isn't the same frequency as your mobile phone uses either, or the same frequency as, say, the police for the use of their walkie-talkies. So it's all hunky-dory, basically. So all you do, I will plug it in and I will show you what you basically have to do. It's very easy. I'll put my guitar on. I'm not great at playing, I'm still learning, but I got these because, like I said, animals chew. Animals can't chew through fresh air, and for the sake of what, 33 quid I bought these for, you can't really grumble, can you? Considering that like a jack cable is probably about, what, 5 to 10 quid each. You get wireless, and it has up to 100 of or something like that of radio system. So basically, you could have this other side of the room and just play and walk around, or if you're on stage, you could use them for that as well. So say you were on a small stage in a church hall or a little whatever it is pub, you could use these as well, so you can walk around and not have to worry about tripping over cables. So they're good for that reason. For 30 odd quid, can't really go wrong. So let's plug them in and see how we get on. As I said, you just plug it into the amplifier, and I'll show you that in a minute. Then you just plug it into the mini jack, the jack input there. Fold it over whether you want it to be like that or however you want it, and then you turn the amp on, which I just didn't do. I didn't turn the amp on. That's the one thing I need to do. Turn the amp on, and then so basically, if you think about it, right, I'll unplug it so you can hear the difference. So normal card, and we can hear that fairly with nothing. It's just no cable at all. Put the jack into it. Now basically with it on, pretty good. The latency is nothing really. It's very good, and I'll turn it off now so you can hear me. And then when you want to turn them off, you just flick them off and they're off. So yeah, I think I'll try them a bit longer and see how they get on. But for 30 something quid compared to 400 quid at this for in your house, or if you just using one guitar, or you need to switch over to guitars dead quickly, then you can just unplug, plug into the acoustic, unplug, plug into your electric guitar, and it's very simple to switch over. You could literally do it because when you're obviously in a small band or whatever, you've got time to take the unplug and plug in. So they are the Lexato, I presume that's like how they pronounce them, Lexato WS80 3.4 gigahertz wireless guitar system. So yeah, if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, press the notification bell, thumbs up, comment down below what you think. If you've got these, if you had any problems with these, if you did, what did you get alternatively? If you haven't got one yet, has this helped you? Are these good for you? Let me know in the comments below. I hope you like them. I hope you like this video, and that's it basically. It's just an unboxing to show you. It's just simple plug and play basically, and enjoy strumming your guitars. So off there you going. Bye bye.